Hey everyone, I will be showing you how to get started with Fliki AI, a text-to-video tool beginner's guide. Video creation has become remarkably more efficient and accessible thanks to the integration of AI technology. Fliki, a platform designed for content creators, offers a revolutionary solution that simplifies and accelerates the video production process. By harnessing the power of AI videos and their text-to-video tool, users can effortlessly transform their ideas into captivating visual content. Fliki's script-based editor streamlines the entire video creation process, making it as easy as composing an email. Within minutes, users can generate videos with lifelike voiceovers, all powered by cutting-edge AI technology. This streamlined approach allows for the production of high-quality content at scale, all while significantly reducing costs. But before we get into the specifics, let me provide you a quick overview of our channel. If you are interested in staying informed about the newest AI tools and becoming proficient in using them effectively, you are in the right spot. Our channel offers easy-to-follow tutorials and is dedicated to keeping you well informed. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Your support helps us in creating even more valuable content. Now, let's get started. To embark on your journey with Fliki AI, the initial step involves navigating to their official website. Once you arrive, you will find a prominent Start for Free button beckoning you to begin your creative venture. When it comes to setting up an account, Fliki offers versatile options. You can either seamlessly proceed with your Google, Facebook, LinkedIn credentials, or opt for the traditional email route. The choice is entirely yours. As long as you can successfully create an account, you are on the right track. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will personally opt for the Google account sign-in. Simply wait a moment for the system to process. And just like that, you are granted access to this powerful platform. One standout feature of this platform is its user-friendly onboarding process. As a first-time user, after creating your account, Fliki takes the initiative to guide you through the process of crafting videos and utilizing voiceovers. This invaluable tutorial ensures that you are equipped with the knowledge and skills to navigate the platform effortlessly. While some might find it helpful to watch, for the sake of this demonstration, I will opt to close it, confident in my ability to dive into the platform's offerings. To embark on your creative journey within the Fliki AI platform, the next step is to click on the New File option, opening up a world of possibilities. Here, you are presented with a choice between creating a video file or opting for audio-only content, giving you the flexibility to tailor your content to your specific needs. What truly enhances the user experience is the platform's ability to accommodate various languages and dialects, ensuring that you can truly express yourself in the manner that suits your preferences. Following this, you'll be prompted to input your chosen file name, and it is here that the platform's versatility shines through. You have the freedom to select your preferred aspect ratio, whether it is the square elegance of 1:1, the vertical flare of 9:16, or the widescreen appeal of 16:9. This level of customization empowers you to craft content that perfectly aligns with your vision. Moving forward, you will decide where to begin your creative process. In my case, I'll opt for the empty file as my starting point. But the platform offers various templates and options, allowing you to choose what suits your project best. Once you have made these selections, simply click on the Submit button, and with that, you are well on your way to creating a brand new video that matches your creative vision. The simplicity and flexibility of this process are truly remarkable, making video creation an enjoyable and personalized experience for all users. Entering the realm of video editing from scratch, this is where your creative journey truly takes off. First and foremost, you have the option to select a file for your music or background audio. Simply click on the Choose File button and a world of auditory possibilities awaits. Additionally, the platform provides a stock library replete with a rich assortment of music and sound effects at your disposal. It is worth noting that certain songs adorned with a lock icon signify that they are exclusive to upgraded accounts, a feature we will explore in detail later. Now, let us explore the music selection. I will opt for this particular piece as our background accompaniment. As you can see, it seamlessly integrates into our video, enhancing the overall auditory experience. Should the stock library offerings not quite align with your vision? Fear not, for you have the option to upload your own music or sound effects directly from your computer. In my case, I will stick with the earlier choice, but the platform's flexibility allows for endless possibilities. Next, we delve into the process of adding videos or images to our creation. Here, an array of scenes presents itself, each a canvas awaiting your creative touch. To make your selection, simply click on the layout that resonates with your vision. The stock library generously provides a plethora of videos, images, and GIFs, removing the need to scour the depths of the internet for suitable visuals. Let us try locating an image of a majestic mountain. With a few keystrokes, a multitude of mountain images materialize before us, seamlessly accessible within Fliki's interface. Once again, the lock icon serves as a gentle reminder that certain resources are reserved for upgraded accounts. Notably, Fliki goes beyond being a mere repository, offering the unique ability to generate images from text. Imagine a text-to-image generator akin to Midjourney, albeit with distinct characteristics. For instance, if we input small house near beach and select a cinematic style, a simple click of the arrow button sets the magic in motion. In a matter of seconds, a vivid image materializes before us. If the result doesn't quite meet your expectations, a click of the regenerate button offers another interpretation. Personally, I find this feature nothing short of extraordinary. Testament to the platform's innovation and creativity. With confidence, I'll opt for use this art, marveling at the artistic potential unleashed with a mere string of text. Let us continue our exploration of the Fliki AI platform. If you decide to transition to a new scene, simply click on the plus icon located above, and lo and behold, a fresh scene is at your disposal, ready to be transformed according to your creative vision. As before, selecting a layout allows you to seamlessly integrate videos or images into the scene. In my case, I will opt for a video from the stock library to enhance this new chapter of our video. Moving on to the creation of voiceovers. You can craft the narrative that best fits your scene. Write your desired words like, "I really love this place." And for the voiceover aspect, just click here. The platform offers an array of voice options for you to choose from. What is particularly convenient is the ability to apply the chosen voice to all voiceovers, should you desire uniformity. However, if, like me, you prefer distinct voices for each segment, simply leave this option unchecked and proceed by clicking select. In the second scene, we will replicate this process, allowing us to customize the text and select another voiceover. It is worth noting that Fliki allows for fine-tuned adjustments, such as changing the language, dialect, gender, and voice style, providing you with a wide spectrum of voiceover options to elevate your storytelling. Once you have made your choices, a simple click on select sets the transformation in motion. Now, let's delve into the subtleties of subtitles. Fliki offers a wealth of customization options, allowing you to determine the position, font, size, display, text color, background color, shadow color, animations, and duration of your subtitles. This level of control empowers you to convey your message precisely as you envision it. Moreover, you can adjust the volume and speed of your voiceovers to align with the narrative pace and mood. If for any reason, subtitles aren't needed for a particular segment, you have the option to uncheck them, granting you ultimate flexibility in your video creation. For efficiency and consistency, Fliki permits you to apply similar tiles to different subtitle layers, streamlining the process of creating uniform designs for your subtitles. Additionally, the platform allows you to customize the duration of each scene, granting you the flexibility to emphasize certain moments or maintain a fluid narrative. It is important to note that the duration is measured in seconds, not minutes, ensuring precise control over your video spacing. When you are satisfied with your creation, it is time to export your masterpiece. Simply click download and initiate the export process. Fliki also offers the option to switch between light mode and dark mode, catering to your preferences for interface aesthetics. If you prefer a lighter background, just click here, or opt for dark mode if a sleek dark interface appeals to you. Personally, I am inclined toward dark mode for its visual appeal. The platform adaptability truly empowers you to create content that aligns perfectly with your preferences and creative vision. Now, let us dive into the details of Fliki AI's upgrade options and cost. If you are interested in exploring the premium features, simply click on the upgrade button to unveil the pricing structure. Notably, for free account users, Fliki AI replenishes your credits every month. If your usage varies and you find yourself creating videos infrequently, you might be content with maintaining your free account. However, for individuals or businesses engaged in consistent video production, subscribing to one of their plans could be a wise investment. Fliki AI offers two distinct plans, the standard and premium plans. The standard plan comes at a monthly cost of $21, but if you opt for the yearly term, you can enjoy a 25% discount. With this plan, you gain access to 180 minutes of credits, an extensive library of 850 voices, the ability to create videos up to 15 minutes in duration, voice cloning capabilities, AI avatar integration, API access, and priority support. For those seeking a more comprehensive package, the premium plan is available at a monthly cost of $66. While it might be a pricier option, the benefits are substantial. You'll receive a generous 600 minutes of credits, access to a wide selection of 1,800 voices, the capability to produce videos up to 30 minutes in length, voice cloning, AI avatar functionality, API access, and priority support. Furthermore, Fliki AI offers opportunities to increase your credits through various methods. You can earn extra credits by participating in activities like reviewing the platform on social media platforms such as Twitter and Facebook. To validate your contributions, simply submit screenshots to demonstrate your engagement. Additionally, you have the option to join the affiliate program, providing an avenue for potential earnings. Should you desire further customization, you can create your own voiceovers and experiment with voice cloning. Fliki AI also makes it convenient for you to access and manage the files you have created by clicking on the Files tab. With this comprehensive overview, you should now be well equipped to navigate and utilize the platform to its full potential. I am genuinely curious to hear your thoughts and experiences. Are you considering trying out this platform? And did you find its features and pricing structure impressive? Your insights and opinions are highly valued. So, please don't hesitate to share your feedback in the comments. I am excited to engage with your viewpoints and assist with any further questions or concerns you might have. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.